The universe is Anant or never ending, and no one can have the knowledge of Anant, as the journey of life of any human being is a mere iota in the timeline of the universe. From what we see now, I can't rightly say if God created us or we created God. In order to personify those energies, we named them Shiva and Shakti. Shakti, the creator. Lashi, soft, tender.
Namaste, 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 namo namah. Ya Devi sarvabhuteshu buddhirupena samstita. Ya Devi sarvabhuteshu buddhirupena samstita. Namaste, 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 namo namah. Ya Devi sarvabhuteshu matrurupena samstita. Ya Devi sarvabhuteshu matrurupena samstita.
Shakti manifests as creation that is pervaded by Shiva. Everything in this universe, from smallest particles that contains Shiva and Shakti working in unison together. Shiva is present not only in that supreme unity of consciousness but also in dualistic power of that arise from it. Shiva at the first and the highest level is the transcendent absolute, and Shakti is the power of that absolute. At this level, both Shiva and Shakti are identical. All the nature is interplay and dance of Lord Shiva and Shakti, arising within Shakti, and Shakti manifests through Shiva. This Shiv Shakti Yajna is just a way to approach those divine energies. It's just a remembrance. The subtle meaning and purpose of this sacred ritual is remembrance of our soul and connection with our divine Father and Mother who always protect us, and to get the blessing for all the world.
सान्निपातिकज्वर सततज्वर विषमज्वर ग्रहनक्षत्र दोषाञ्चान्या हर हर काली सर सर गौरी गम गम विद्ये.
Shiva symbolizes consciousness, the principle that is masculine. Shakti symbolizes the feminine principle, the activating power and energy. Whenever a power becomes active and wherever energy exists, Shakti is working. Other terms of these primal principles are Purusha and Prakriti. Purusha is consciousness and Prakriti is nature. Lord Shiva is generally portrayed holding a trident, which represents the trinity of Ishvara, Purusha and Prakriti. Shakti or Prakriti means energy, power, movement, change, nature. It is the maternal principle, the provider, abundance. The mother offers nourishment, warmth and security in the human as well as in the animal kingdom. There is absolutely no greater love than that of a mother. The mother carries and nourishes the young child in her own body. When it is born, she provides it with mother's milk and raises it at the sacrifice of her own self until it becomes self-reliant.
आदि शिव शक्ति
आदि शिव शक्ति आदि शिव शक्ति अनादि आदि भवानी दयानी आदि शिव शक्ति.
Shiva or Purusha, having said that, is pure consciousness, the unchanging, unswayable, unlimited observer. Purusha has no desires whatsoever. These are inherent only in Prakriti. Purusha could be the empty, clear screen onto which Prakriti projects her colorful film. Shiva and Shakti are manifestations associated with all-in-one divine consciousness, different sides associated with the same coin. Through the splitting of the primordial principle at the advent of creation, the duality within our lives came into being, as well as a very good force that is constantly striving to reunite, utilizing the other part. Only when Shiva and Shakti combine can action, movement and creation arise. Until energy sources are impregnated with consciousness, it really is ignorant, disordered, aimless and blind. Energy alone can produce nothing. Consciousness bestows upon it content, direction and form. Conversely, consciousness without energy is dormant power, sleeping energy, as well as on a unique struggle to be the reason for anything. Just as Prakriti without Purusha struggles to act, and the other way around, Purusha without Prakriti is also incapable of creating anything.
आदि शिव शक्ति आदि अनादि आदि 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 शिव शक्ति अनादि.
Shakti is the motherly love of God that surrounds us with warmth, caring and protection. Shiva is the paternal love of God that gives us consciousness, clarity and knowledge. We wish for you the blessing of the Divine Mother who lives within you as energy and vitality, and the blessing of the Divine Father who resides within you as consciousness and knowledge. May they always take care of you, protect you and guide you, and in their infinite love lead you to the cosmic consciousness.
भद्रकाली कल्याणी शिवानी दुख हरणी आदि शिव शक्ति. चण्डमुण्ड महिषासुरमर्दिनी चण्डमुण्ड चण्ड चण्ड मुण्ड मुण्ड चण्ड मुण्ड महिषा चण्ड मुण्ड महिषा चण्ड मुण्ड महिषासुरमर्दिनी चण्ड चण्ड मुण्ड महिषासुरमर्दिनी मर्दिनी चण्ड मुण्ड महिषासुरमर्दिनी